हेलो दोस्तों, नमस्कार। आई एम जेके। हम लोग बहुत ही लकी हैं कि आने वाले सीरीज में हम लोग सीखेंगे डॉक्टर के मोहन सर से, जो कि इंटरनेशनली रेनाउल्ड सीमेंट साइंटिस्ट हैं। उनको मॉडर्न सीमेंट केमिस्ट्री का पितामह भी कहा जाता है। डॉक्टर के मोहन सर फॉर्मर डायरेक्टर जनरल थे एनसीसीबीएम में। इनका करीब 70 से ज़्यादा रिसर्च पब्लिकेशन आ चुके हैं नेशनल या इंटरनेशनल जर्नल्स में। मोहन सर का करीब 49 ईयर का रिच एक्सपीरियंस है सीमेंट टेक्नोलॉजी क्षेत्र में। तो हम लोग आने वाली सीरीज में इनसे रूबरू होंगे, इनसे हम सीखेंगे सीमेंट केमिस्ट्री के बारे में। तो इसी संदर्भ में आज हम पहला सीखेंगे व्हाट इज द मेन रीजन फॉर रिंग फॉर्मेशन इन रोटरी किल्न। ऐसा क्या रीजन है केमिस्ट्री पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से रिंग फॉर्मेशन होने का किल्न के इनसाइड में, जो कि जब कोटिंग अच्छी खासी जम जाती है तो उसको तोड़ना और किल्न का स्टॉपेज होना वो बहुत ही ह्यूज प्रोडक्शन लॉस क्रिएट करता है प्लांट ऑपरेशन के दौरान। तो मोहन सर आज इस पे हम लोगों को मार्गदर्शन देंगे।
Possible reasons for ring formation in kiln are: number one is raw mix chemistry. That is, you have to have a uniform chemical composition and fineness of kiln feed. If you have frequent changes in the chemical composition and fineness of kiln feed, then it will lead to the formation of ring in the burning zone of the kiln. Second reasons is that if your clinker is high in liquid content, by high in liquid content I mean that normally during clinker burning we keep liquid 26 to 30%. So if your liquid is more than say 31, 32, 33%, because sometimes I have seen that in some plant they are keeping liquid as high as 33%. And then they are encountering this sort of problem of ring formation. So we should try to keep liquid within the range 26 to 30% in the clinker so as to avoid the ring formation. Next aspect is that fineness of coal is to be controlled. If you are grinding coal very coarse, then that is your residue on 90 micron is high, then that will also lead to ring formation in the burning zone. Sometimes it happens that some of the coal after burning will give you coal ash, and that the coal ash has low fusion temperature. So that low fusion temperature of coal ash is also very dangerous, and this will also lead to ring formation. Again, another reason is that incomplete calcination of the feed as it enters the burning zone. By incomplete calcination, I mean that normally we try to keep during clinkerization process calcination around say 95 to 98%. But somehow if your calcination is in the range say 90, 91, 92%, then that also is one of the reasons for ring formation in the burning. Next is kiln speed. You are maintaining very, very slow, that you are running the kiln at slow RPM, and therefore the filling in the kiln is more, and that also leads to ring formation. Then next is high burning zone temperature. Normally burning zone temperature we try to keep 1400, 1450, but sometime I have seen in some of the plants that they are not able to control the burning zone temperature, and it goes say beyond 1450. So that also leads to sometime the ring formation in the burning zone. Then again, if you are not properly operating your kiln and cooler properly, then chances are that you may generate excessive dust both in the burning zone as well as in the cooler, and this will also lead to formation of ring. Then you are not able to control the flame, either the flame temperature or the length during normal kiln operation. So if it is within the operating limit, that is flame temperature and flame length is within the operating limit, then there is no issue. But if there is excessive variation of flame temperature and length, then that will also cause ring formation in the kiln, Then secondary air temperature also you have to monitor properly, that you don't allow frequent changes in secondary air temperature, thereby avoiding this ring formation. And one of the very important aspect of ring formation is volatile recycling. If you have, say, high alkali in raw mill or in hot mill, and also high SO3, plus when you are using, say, high sulfur coal like pet coke and other, say, sometimes people are using Assam coal in northeastern plants. So there the coal has got higher sulfur content. So higher alkali and sulfur, they are leading to volatile recycling in the kiln preheater system, and they also cause ring formation in the kiln. And finally, that ring formation sometimes also happens if your refractory quality is not proper, is not of good quality, and the condition of refractory is also not good, that it has worn out, then also sometimes ring formation takes place. So these are the possible reasons, and all these reasons are interdependent. The ring formation may be because of one of the various causes I have explained, or it can be, so I have enumerated about, say, 10, 11, but there may be 20 causes, So, but these are the 10, 11 causes that I have enumerated, regions I have enumerated. I think they are the main reason for ring formation.
तो ऐसे ही आने वाले समय में 1 by 1 जो भी प्रॉब्लम आती हैं किल्न ऑपरेशन के दौरान केमिस्ट्री पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से डॉक्टर के मोहन सर अपना मार्गदर्शन देंगे, हम लोग सीखेंगे। दोस्त, अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों तक पहुंचाइए, जिससे जो भी इंजीनियर्स हैं जिनके अंदर में क्यूरियोसिटी है, कुछ सीखने का, कुछ ललक है, वो आने वाले समय में सीख सकें। वीडियो देखने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।